Paulit-ulit ko 'tong sasabihin, pagdating talaga sa power bank simula noon hanggang ngayon, Romos talaga ang brand na pinagkakatiwalaan pagdating sa pangmatagalan at patibayan. Itong bagong ni-release nila mga mima ko, this is 20,000 mAh. Kaya pong mag-charge ng hanggang 5 to 6 times kung fully charged po ang power bank na 'to. Napakaganda ng bagong design na ni-release nila kasi meron na po itong built-in cable. So hindi mo na kailangan magbitbit ng kung ano-ano kasi hassle na nagbibitbit pa tayo ng kung ano-anong cable. With advanced battery technology, Romos ensures fast and efficient charging. It is designed to deliver consistent power whenever you need it. Meron itong multiple ports so you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. At pagdating naman sa durability and quality assurance, sagot na yan ng Romos. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Stay powered up and connected with Romos Power Bank. With Romos, you get a product that is built to last. Stay powered up and connected with the Romos Power Bank. Get your